Hi, my name is Eric Nilssen. I'm a board-certified orthopedic surgeon, and I'm excited to talk to you today about a new cutting-edge technology called Ortho Laser. This laser specifically targets all musculoskeletal conditions, and it's actually only licensed to orthopedic surgeons. So lasers have been used to treat musculoskeletal conditions since around 2001. But unfortunately, most lasers are either underpowered, they actually offer no treatment benefits, or on the flip side, they're overpowered and can actually do more harm than good. Our lasers have an 85 to 90% success rate in relieving pain and inflammation, and they actually have no side effects. Oftentimes, these lasers can actually eliminate the actual need to even have surgery. But what I'm really most excited about is that they can eliminate the need of prescription drugs, specifically narcotics. So what conditions can be treated with this laser? Well, from a foot and ankle standpoint, plantar fasciitis, #1 cause of foot pain in the world, ankle sprains, Achilles issues. In the knee arthritis, meniscus tears, the hip, labral tears, bursitis, shoulder rotator cuff tendonitis, elbow, tennis elbow, golfer's elbow, and even spine conditions like whiplash injuries, neuropathy, or nerve entrapments. There's just a whole multitude of conditions that this laser can treat. If you have any musculoskeletal conditions, this might be a great option for you. Please call 850-435-4800 or go to www.nilssenorthopedics.com.